Alright, so you've just learned about multiplying decimals and you got to practice a little, and now here's another fun way to practice multiplying decimals using Battleship. How fun! So here's how it works. You're going to need a partner because if you look, one of the pages has an A and then the other page in your notes has a B. So one partner is going to use the A, the other partner is going to use the B page. Now, in order to figure out a partner, you need to look at the self-tracking page to see who else is at the same section of the grid as you. If there's not someone there yet, then what I would suggest is you go over to someone who's really, really close and ask them if they need any help or any support, or say, hey, I need a little help with this next part because it requires a partner. You know, would you be able to do this with me? Even if someone hasn't quite finished the practice yet, you can still do this partner activity with them because they should still know how to multiply decimals. And most of you do well with multiplying, so I bet you could still work on this even if you're not quite to this step yet. So you need to ask around and take charge of your learning and find a partner for this. So here's how it works when you get to that point. So like I said, one of you as a part of this partnership will have page A. The other will have B. It really doesn't matter which packet you use, or if one person wants to use their page B and the other person wants to use their page A, as long as you're not doing the same page, because otherwise the game won't work. So what you do is you can pick any number you want. You don't have to go in order. You solve the problem, and when you get your answer, you tell it to your partner, and on their page, they're going to look for the number down here. Okay? If the number is on the boat somewhere, that's a hit. Just like in the game Battleship, when you hit one of the boats, they will tell you hit. If it's not on the boat, see how it's kind of above here? That's a miss. Okay? So, another option is possibly if the number isn't there. So I would be thinking, if the number is not there, that probably means we made a mistake and we need to go back and check our work and try again. So, those are the three options that you might hear from your partner. They'll either tell you a hit, a miss, or I don't find that number on my page. Maybe you should try again. So try the problem again. If you're still struggling, ask your partner for some help. They can pause what they're doing and help you out with your problem, see if they can figure out what the answer should be so that you can find it on your partner's sheet. If you're really stuck and you and your partner can't figure it out, then you need to change your color to red so then someone else can get to you to help, whether it's me or another classmate. So the way you win is by sinking the ship. You have to get all of the numbers that are on your partner's ship. Okay? And again, those are the numbers that are on the boat. Again, you may not want to go in order because you don't want to maybe get all misses. So you want to mix up what you're going for. Make sure you show all your work step by step and see who can sink the other person's ship fastest. Once you both complete this, whoever wins, then you can move on to the next step of the grid. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask by changing your color on that self-tracking page. Okay? Enjoy, have fun, and I hope you can sink that ship.